I wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
This means no documentation or recording of the PowerPoint presentation prepared by the Department of Tourism. So we encourage all students to use the FBSE toolkit we provided for your note-taking during the seminar. Thank you for your understanding.
We are grateful for the chance to expand our knowledge, share our experiences, and grow both personally and professionally. We ask that you bless each speaker.
Currently Bigalang, a second-year tourism management student.
And I am Julius Christian N. Cordova, a third-year tourism management student. And we are delighted to be your hosts for today's event.
This morning, we are very privileged to be in a training. Alam niyo, this is such a privilege. I just found out this was the other schools have already gone through it already. But just the same, no, I am glad that we are all here today. You're all here today to attend this training. And I'm sure you're gonna learn.
Sa inyo? Excited na ba kayo para sa ating icebreaker today?
For the first teacher, okay.
Sino kaya yan? Sabay-sabay. Wait lang, mamaya. Okay. 1, 3. Sabay. 1, 2, 3. Boys, sino yan? Tama ba? Si Zendaya ba yan? Okay, 1 point pa. Okay. Mukhang mainit ang ano doon. Yan. Wala pa. Antayin nyo ang 3. Antayin nyo ang 3. Game. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ka second lang bilang ha. Sabay talaga kami. Kasi nagpipila.
Sige.
Upon request ng ating mga players.
Next picture. Wala pa. Antayin niyo yung go. Sige.
Sige, ulit daw. Go.
Girls.
Huwag kayong magsalita. Pero dapat sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay ha. Sigaw dapat ha. Walang mauuna sa girls or boys. Game. Next picture. Boys ang nauna. Sino? Okay, and then Richard Stoba. Boys ang nauna.
Mabilisan hindi malakas. Uy, wait lang
Boys! Grabe, wala pa. Grabe.
Ay, dapat sabay-sabay ha.
Oh, lalagyan natin ang twist ngayon dahil last round na kailangan. Dahil last round na to guys, kailangan sabay-sabay din kayong tataas ng kamay. Okay? Lahat. Hindi pwedeng isa lang or dalawa, kailangan lahat. Baba kayo sa stage guys, Yan, hindi kasi yung nakita dyan. Yan. Kayo dito buhay at sabay-sabay itataas ang kamay. Mabuhay ang taas ng kamay. Okay? Gets? Ingat lang mo sa stage ha, walang tatanong sa stage. Baka matulog sa'yo. Tataas lang. Mabuhay, tas taas kamay. Okay? Hindi sabay. Mabuhay, tas taas kamay. Okay? Kailangan sabay-sabay ha. Game. Girls. Ano mo? Isa pa. Girls! May nauna kasi sa boys. Ayun. Oh, girls! Girls! Anong sagot, girls?
Tama ba?
Tama ba si Park Gomu? Baka mali, no? Mali ba? Ano sa palagay niyo? Si Jungkook, bakit si Jungkook yan? Sige, paki-defend. Congratulations din sa Team Boys at salamat sa pag-participate.
Thank you guys.
Total, mainit ngayong panahon ngayon. Tamang-tama yan. Tapos,
Uy, bawal yan.
services in tourism aligned with globally competitive. So yung mga tinuturo sa ecotourism ni Ma'am Merly, di ba? Kasi ito yung SDG number 4, quality education. Tama ba guys? Quality education, di ba? Yan. Kasi through our seminar, our students will foster
Educator and a staunch advocate of fire tourism in the Philippines.
He is currently a tourism operation officer. Isa pa nga, ready na ba kayo makinig? Yan. So to buckle up as we begin with our first module, the Philippine Tourism Industry Situationer and FESE Journey. We will explore the rationale and the journey of the Filipino brand of service excellence. Everyone, a round of applause for today's guest.
Preempt yung discussion natin. Are the guys on the back participants, also the organizers?
Kamari, ano lang. Game, magtatawag na ako kasi kasi tayo walang volunteer. Sige. Sige, simulan natin kay Lia.
Na in-attendant ko na discuss din yung about sa BOP and paano natin ma-differentiate yung ating service sa other countries, and yung way na yun is to showcase the Filipino brand of excellence. And dito sa seminar yun yung gusto kong matutunan. Ano ba yung kayang i-showcase ng Filipino, something different than sa other countries.
Palakpakan naman natin guys. Yun, napakagaling yan eh. Yan. Nagko-coach pa. Sige. Kaya mo yan.
Huwag ka kabahan.
Ano yung gusto kong ma-improve as a tourism student? Sa skills mo. Sige, huwag kang kabahan. Kaya mo yan. Ano?
Paano yung ano?
Yung alin?
Eto!
Help! Oh. Hindi, sa'yo. Sige lang, sa sarili mo lang. Ganun.
Ano? Kung paano yung proper serve sa
Yeah.
Through the FBSE, we ensure that the positive,
Yan.
as we have now reached over 124,000 Filipinos trained under FBSE. Cement its role as the center for hospitality and service excellence in Asia. It has gone beyond the periphery of the tourism value chain because now the program
Hindi connected ng railway ang airport Cansonet in Ho Chi Minh to the city center. Importance and benefits of the Philippine tourism industry. This is not a common destination. Lalo na for Filipinos. 2 and 3. Alright. When Miss Universe was held in the Philippines back in 1994, the official opening production was Mabuhay. Now we have ibibigay ng tulong ng papaalam din. Kibulag yan, hahablutin mo agad yung sir, tulungan na kita. Hindi mo kailangan gawin mo. You know in Hong Kong, habit to Hong Kong, or China. In Hong Kong, was you see sa TikTok, yung, at saka dito, ano na lang tanggalin ng mga gamit. So, hindi na ako para na, so, rom-com, mga nakapambahay, hindi ine-entertain. This is classic story. May nagpunta sa gown. Sige. Diba? Evacuation, ang donation nyo. May nasa resort kayo, may guest kayo na gusto pumunta sa bayan. Nagtanong, Miss, tapos bigla mong siningit na alam mo ba ma'am na nag-resign si VP Sara. Again, saan tayo mag-uubisa dyan? 4, 5, 1.
Ang mga resort. Panso. Iba yun.
Ikaw magbilang.
Okay, mag-count ako ha. Okay. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Mabuhay! Love the Philippines! Wait. Lagyan naman sa dalong 2, 3, go. Mabuhay!